Hey everyone, if you're getting an upload error in Pixlr and your images won't upload properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Pixlr upload errors in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Pixlr uploads files through your browser, a slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process and cause errors. Next, refresh the page and try uploading the image again. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes prevent uploads from completing successfully. Another common fix is checking your file format. Make sure the image you're uploading is in a supported format such as JPG, PNG, or another format accepted by Pixlr. If the image file is very large, try reducing its size before uploading. High-resolution images can take longer to process and may occasionally trigger upload failures. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers can create compatibility issues that affect uploads and editor performance. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with web applications and prevent files from uploading correctly. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact Pixlr support and provide details about the file type, file size, browser version, and any error messages you're receiving. And that's how to fix Pixlr upload errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, verifying the file format, updating your browser, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.